Hello students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of all previous year paper, and today we are going to discuss the official answer key of Odisha Police Jade Water exam. As you all know that this examination was held from 22nd of December to 26th of December in year 2022, and today we are exactly going to discuss the official answer key of 22nd of December 2022 shift first paper. Okay, before going forward, I'll explain you the exam pattern which was asked in this examination. So basically the question paper was divided into four subjects, between four subjects. The very first subject is general English subject, in which 20 questions was asked of English subject. Then after that 20 questions from Odia language subject, 30 questions from general science and computer subjects, and 30 questions from numerical ability and reasoning ability subject. Okay, so going forward we'll start the discussion of general English subject. Okay, so as you can see on the question number first, this is a fill in the blanks question. Question number first, second and third, all these are question fill in the blanks based question. The question number 4 is what was the notice dash, and this is again the fill in the blanks question. The question number 5th is a change into indirect speech, so this is direct and indirect speech topic question. Next, again question number 6 is fill in the blanks question. Again question number 7 is again she is always giving herself airs. The underline idiom means. Now this question is asked from idiom and phrases chapter. Okay, question number 8th, 9th, again fill in the blanks question. The question number 10th is a synonym and is from synonym and antonym chapter, and the correct answer for this question is option number C. The question number 11th is a small passage given to you, and question is asked from this passage, which you have to read very thoroughly, and based on the given information in the reading comprehension or in the passage, you have to answer the correct question. Okay, then again question number 12th is same from the given passage question. Question number 13th again a part of this RC. Question number 14th again part of this RC. Question number 15th is also the part of this RC. Okay, now when you see the question number 16th, it is translate into English. One line is given into you in Odia language. You have to translate this line correctly in English language. Question number 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th, which means 5 questions of same pattern is asked in the examination in English subject of translation. Correct. Now let's move further, and the next set is of Odia language, which means the next subject is Odia language, and 20 questions again asked from this subject. And as you can see, the correct options are marked in the questions, so you can also check that whether you have marked the correct answers in the paper or not. Okay, as you can see, like question from 1 to question number 6 is given on the first page, and then again question number 7 to 11th. The correct answer for question number 11th is option C, and then again from question number 13th, B is the correct answer. Now I am assuming that question number 15th is also a RC type of pattern question, like a whole passage is given into to you in this paper, and you have to read the whole passage carefully, and based on the passage you have to answer the you have to answer the questions. Okay, when we move forward, I can see question number 16, 15, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th are of same pattern. Okay, so I think all these questions are from RC or from passage based questions. Okay, now let's move forward to another subject, which is general studies and computer subject. So this section contains questions from general science, which means general awareness, general knowledge, current affairs, and from computer subject. Okay, so when we see the first question, the scientist Marconi of which country invented radio. Okay, so like this is a question from general knowledge subject. The stars twinkle at night because, so again this is a question from general knowledge subject. When we move forward, such kind of questions is asked to you, like in which region of India was the Suhar Wadi order of Sufism popular. Okay, again general knowledge question. I am not dividing these general knowledge questions into history subject, polity or like geography subjects. I am combinedly saying you that this question is from GK subject. Now when we move to question number 7th, it is given if you receive an email with an attachment from a company saying you just won $1 million, but you have never heard of a process of a person who has sent email, what should you do? Now this is the question of computer subject. Okay, when we move forward, again we have a question. Calamine lotion used as anti-itching agent mainly contained. So this is a question from general science subject. Okay, so all these questions like Venice in Italy and Vienna in Australia are famous from. Okay, so this is a question from general knowledge subject. Again, Hussain Sagar Lake is located in. So again, this is the question from general knowledge subject. So I can see the major part of this section is of general knowledge subject rather than computer subject or general science subject. Okay, so let's move forward, and the last question of question number 30 is how many jail circles are there in Odisha? So this is a question from Odisha state only. So again, this is a question from general knowledge subject. Okay, now let's move forward, and we have a last subject or a last section, that is numerical ability and reasoning chapter. Now again 30 question was asked from this section 2. Okay, so let's see. The very first question is the number 1.10 dash 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 is. So in this question you have to answer that whether it is a natural number, whole number, rational number or an irrational number. Okay, now again question number 2 is 16 3 by 4 is equal to. Again question number 3, this is a part of in the question given 4-5 pairs of words are given. Out of these pairs, one does not bear the common relationship with which the rest do. You are required to find the odd pair, which means this is a question from LR subject. You have to find the odd one out. Okay, now let's move forward. Again, this is the question number 4 is also odd pair out. Question number 5, it is a question from number series topic. Question number 6, the sum of place value and face value of 7 is dash. Again quant question or maths numerical ability section. Question number 8, order and ranking. Question number 9, this is time, speed and distance topic. Question number 10, the average salary of the average salary per month of 30 employee in a company is rupees 4,000. If a manager salary is added, the average salary increases to rupees 4,300. What is the salary of the manager? So this is the question from quant subject of average chapter. Okay, now let's move forward. Question number 12, HCF. This is a question from HCF and LCM chapter. Again question number 13, same HCF and LCM chapter. Question number 14, again average chapter. Question number 15, again question from ages. You can consider these questions from age chapter also. Okay, again question number 16 age chapter question. Question number 17, it is a question of the price of a product of a company increases by 10% and the turnover increases by 10. What is the change in quantity sold? Again question number 18, 19, 17, all these questions are from quant subject or numerical ability subject. So what I can see here is that the major weightage in this section 2 is also of the quant subject rather than reasoning ability subject, or I can say that numerical ability questions were asked more rather than reasoning ability subject. Okay, question number 22, it is of logical reasoning subject. It is of distance and direction chapter. Again question number 23, blood relation question from reasoning subject. Again when we move to question number 25th, it is of the train running at a certain speed crosses a stationary engine in 20 seconds. To find out the speed of the train, which of the following is necessary? So again time and speed distance question, probability question, median question, what is the locus of intersection of equation? Again for question from quant subject, numerical ability subject. And question number 30, 3x square minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. What is the product of the roots of the binomial equation? So this is all these are the questions from our numerical ability and reasoning ability subject. I hope you have liked our video and आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. For more such content, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends and like the video. Thank you.